Sarap yun.
Okay, welcome ICT Tutu to Introduction to Industrial Arts 1. So as you may know, I have a little bit of flu right now. So kung si Michael Jordan may flu game, ito yung flu class ko. I-guess nyo ba yung reference na yun? Yung famous flu game ni Michael Jordan. Okay, pero guys, um, mahirap yung gagawin natin ngayon. Ay, actually, madali lang siya. Baka nga yung iba sa inyo nagawa na to eh. Pero kasi dalawa. And we have to finish it today. So, very simple lang ang gagawin natin for this evening. Uh, Gagawa tayo ng keychain and cellphone holder. Okay. Using Tinkercad. Okay. Sorry, familiar with Tinkercad? Have you used Tinkercad before? Okay, so yun lang naman ang gagawin natin. And also, we will use the Cults 3D for us to download STL file that we will modify. Okay? So, yung keychain entirely, gagawin natin siya sa Tinkercad. Then, yung cellphone holder, maghanap tayo ng template sa Cults 3D. Then, ida-download natin, export natin sa Tinkercad for us to customize the cellphone holder, okay, smartphone holder. So first things first is of course access Tinkercad. So if you are not using smartphone, this can be done using a smartphone, but it's difficult. So it's really advisable if you have, you know, desktop or laptop right now. Okay, so just go to Tinkercad. Once you are in Tinkercad, you'll just have to, of course, log in. Then if you don't have an account yet, then sign up. So use Educators, sign me in with Google. Then there you go. Okay. So thumbs up kung may nandito na kayo sa dashboard na to. Okay. Let's just wait for the others. Okay, now once you are in this dashboard, so syempre, ang gagawin natin ay press the create button, then 3D design. Okay. So you will land in this page here. Uh, okay. So thumbs up nga kung nandito na kayo sa ating work plane. Okay, let's wait for the others. Now, to those who are in the work plane already, while waiting for the others, you can start playing around with basic shapes. You can just simply drag it here on our work plane, then play around with the view, up, front, right, back, bottom. Okay, so while waiting for the others. Okay, so we're just playing around with the orientation.
Sir, tama po ba 3D design?
Yes, 3D design. Create, then 3D design. Okay, so play around, familiarize yourself with the orientation. Okay. So, confetti react nga kung lahat nandito na sa work plane. Okay, so very good. Now, first things first is, of course, rename your file to your surname. Okay. And then your first name. Yan. No, just surname. Surname will do. And activity one. Yan. Now, once you rename it, okay, just by clicking the Tinkercad icon on the upper left corner, it will automatically save on your dashboard. So this is now your activity. Okay. So if you want to go back, just click it again, then tinker this. So as long as you renamed it, it will stay there. Now, if you want to download the STL file, just simply export it to STL file. Okay. And then check your download folder and you will see there the STL file. Then yung STL file na yon, we can print it using 3D printer already. Okay? So you know now how to play around and managing the file, renaming it, saving it, then downloading it as an STL file or stereolithography file. Okay, so everyone done renaming it and testing it to download as an STL file. Okay. So, syempre, kung na-download nyo na siya, delete nyo na yun para di dumoble yung file nyo. Okay, so now let's create ang rubric lang naman ito. ay 40% proficiency, 40% accuracy. Then the other 20% is utility. Utility is how useful your keychain and your cell phone holder. Will it become functional, practical once we 3D printed it? Okay. So of course, isa siyang um, keychain. So most likely meron siyang hook or hole for the key to enter. Hindi ba siya flimsy? Okay? So kapag inalog mo ba siya, hindi ba siya matatanggal? So the other 20% of your rubrics is the utility. Understood, class? Thumbs up nga kung gets nyo. So same pa rin naman, 40% utility, 40% proficiency, 40% accuracy. Then the other 20% is the utility. Okay, nasa chat box na natin yung rubric sa activity na to. So same yan sa activity 1 and activity 2. Okay, let's go back to our work plane. Okay, so now since we are now in the work plane, so what we are creating is just a simple keychain, but it should have your full name in it. Okay, so design a first, of course, let's have a platform for us to put our name. Okay, so yan. Already have a platform. So, syempre gusto natin. Okay, this is how you navigate the item on your work plane. So as you can see, this triangle arrow, this will, if you hold that and drag it up, it will levitate your design. Okay, so yan, can levitate. Then, kung gulong-gulo ka na sa buhay mo, naliligaw ka na, pindutin mo lang yung home. Okay? Then you'll go back to the default view. Then, drag it. Okay. Yan. If you're happy with the size, okay, just play around first. Okay, now here's another navigational tool that we have is the rotation knob. So we can rotate it horizontally or vertically. So of course, you'll have to there. So again, this arrow is for the levitation and this arrow is for the rotation. Levitation, rotation. Okay? There. Then kung gulong-gulo ka na ulit sa buhay mo, huwag ka matakot magsimula muli. Okay? So delete mo lang siya. Maglagay ka ulit. Default view. Okay, then start all over again. Yan. There. So expert ka na sa paglalagay ng platform. Yan. Now there's another concept that we need to explore. That is the concept of putting a hole to our pattern. Now, what's the purpose of the hole? You can use that as a hook to your keychain. Okay, so just choose a pattern. Okay, so this one. Yan. So pinili mo lang to, butas na to. Pwede mo siyang palitin syempre. Then the top view. We'll have to minimize the hole for aesthetic purposes. Again, this is under proficiency. Then, once you have that, make sure na makatagos yan dun sa pattern nyo. Para pag 3D print, wala talagang sabit. Okay? So, dapat ganyan yung itsura ng the hole on your platform. So, there. So, thumbs up if you are following the platform and the whole concept and the levitation and the rotation knob on our work plane. Okay. Now, there's another way of putting hole on our keychain. If you don't want to put hole in it, you can put an actual object. Okay. So there. Yan. If you drag this, yan. Okay, so this navigation here, this is where you can increase and decrease the thickness. So you can make a different adjustment here. Yan. So, syempre, keychain yan. Kung gusto mong aesthetic yung keychain mo, ayaw mo nang may butas, gusto mo eto, nakapaloob dyan. So, pwede rin yun, para naka-pendant style. Yan. So, you have two options on putting a hook on your keychain. By the way, class, ano natin to i-3D print natin to. Okay, yes? Michael?
Sir, question lang, paano mo napatagos yung, ano mo, sir? Napatagos. Paano siya tumagos
Wala.
sa ano? Lumalaki po kasi, sir, eh. Ay,
Yeah, sorry, the levitation knob, we'll just have to um, drag it all the way down. Okay? Yan. So remember this triangle to levitate. Okay lang naman yung tumagos kasi pag um, na-download natin yung STL file, hindi na makita yan. So ano lang, for peace of mind. Kung may question kayo, class, magsalita na lang kayo. Baka hindi ko nakikita yung pagtaas ng kamay nyo. Okay, so you have two options on putting hole on your keychain. One is by putting hole, and the other is by attaching another shape. So now, once you are familiar with that, let's have, of course, ilalagay na natin yung pangalan mo. So dito, for example, pangalan mo, John. You can choose font, Dover, excuse Very limited lang yung font natin. Okay. You can choose the height, the bevel, and the segments. But I suggest just keep it on the default, but it's up to you. But here's the thing. Just make sure that the text is taller than the platform, of course. Para makita natin yung, yan. Makikita mo naman yan. You can change the color. Pwede mo ring i-control C, control V. Copy mo lang siya. Then, palitan mo siya ng pangalan mo. Para hindi mo na tatansyahin yung height niya kanina. Kagaya ng ginawa mo nung una. Okay, the requirement is, of course, your full name must be in your keychain. And then, you'll have to put one characters for creatures. Okay, so okay, so this is part of the instruction. Your full name, first and last name, and you should add one icon, characters, or creatures on your keychain. It's up to you to design it. Okay? Pwede nyo ring gantong technique yung gusto nyo para ibabakat yung pangalan nyo. Kapag tin-3D print siya, instead na ito yung naka-solid, naka-hole siya para pambakat, di ba? Yan.
Sir, yung hole po ba is automatic na siya pag 3D print?
Ay, yung alin, ano yan? Yung alin?
Yung hole po na nilagay namin, automatic na po siya magkakaroon ng butas.
Good question. Oo. Now, okay, sige, makinig muna. Once you are happy with your creation, okay, we can download it and we can actually view it using the STL viewer. Okay, so let's say ito. Ayan. Make sure ko lang na ah, yun. Okay, so for example, this one. Again, if you want to export it para ma-save siya sa computer nyo, press export then .stl. Okay, now once it's downloaded, one moment. Okay, so ganito. Pumunta lang kayo, i-type nyo lang sa Google yung STL viewer, then the first result, ito, drag and drop your 3D file here, then there. Makikita nyo na yung create. So tama, yung butas is successful. Yan. So ito, as is na to, itong keychain na to, pwede mo na siyang i-3D print. So lagyan mo na sa flash drive, then i-connect mo. There you go. Okay, so that's your for the keychain. Are you still doing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes po.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, guys, i-pause nyo muna yung yung keychain nyo. Okay? So, let's say you are in the middle of your designing. I-press nyo lang muna ito. I-ano ko na sa inyo yung yung second activity para maiwan ko na kayo. Okay? I'll give you enough time to do it naman. So, pause nyo muna yan, yung ginagawa nyo, then by pressing the Tinkercad icon on the upper left corner. And then, save naman yan dito. Then, create another 3D design. Okay. Then, just renamed it with your surname and activity 2. Yan. So, dito naman, plus, ito yung cellphone holder. Okay. So, nakakasunod ba? Huwag muna kayo pause nyo muna yung keychain nyo para makapag-focus kayo. Okay. So, once you are on the second work plane, visit cults3d.com. So, yan, search nyo lang dito cellphone holder. Then, yan. So, syempre, yung mga free lang yung pipiliin natin. Unless gusto niyo gumastos ng 5 pounds. Magkano yan? 350. Ayan. So, magda-download tayo ng cellphone holder. Then, i-customize natin siya. Ito, very simple. Download. Hmm? Kailangan na ng account. Dati hindi kailangan ng account eh. Sige, gawa muna tayo account. Sign up with Gmail. Kung naka-download na kayo, I mean kung pa-create na kayo ng account, pwede na kayo mag-browse ng mga design habang inaayos ko pa yung account ko dito. Yung kasi I'm having hard time resetting my password. So while waiting for me here, pag naka-download na kayo ng pattern na gusto nyo, i-ano nyo lang din siya sa Calls 3D. I mean sa Tinkercad. I-import nyo lang siya para masimulan nyo ng pagko-customize. Wait lang guys. Okay, I'm still struggling logging in sa Cults 3D. May naka-download ba sa inyo ng ng STL file, then na-import nyo na sa Workplane? Thumbs up nga
Yes
kung meron.
po.
Thumbs up sa mga nakagawa na nun. Okay. So, yun. Wait lang ano. Okay, so going back. Yan, cellphone holder. Hanap kayo ng magandang design. Ito-customize siya lang naman siya. Kayo na bahala mag-design. Pero, kailangan nakalagay yung first name nyo doon sa cellphone holder. Ay, ito. Nice. Maganda to. Then, free lang. Download all. So, again, sa Workplane, Activity 2, i-import nyo lang siya. Download. Then, import. Yan. So, once you're done importing it, you can now start customizing. Just simply put your first name. And then, kayo na bahala maglagay ng mga design. Kung anong gusto nyong character. So again, navigation, levitation, rotation. Yan. For easy access. Yan. Show. I-hold din natin siya para oh. Tanong natin. Kunyari, naro. Yan. Ito yung kaya nang mawala kayo.
Sir, full
Yes?
name po ulit dyan po sa phone
Ano lang, first name
sa
lang. Yung
cellphone
keychain lang yung full
holder.
name. First name lang
Okay
sa
po.
cellphone holder, and then yung additional customization na gusto nyo. Kahit dun sa keychain, ano lang, minimum lang yung full name tsaka isang character. Kung gusto nyo gumawa ng isang buong ecosystem, gusto nyong gumawa ng isang buong zoo, may mga animals naman tayo dito, pwede rin yun. So, sabay tayo dito mahihirapan. Though pay attention guys kung magda-download kayo ng mga STL file. Pag umabot na ng more than 1 MB, baka mahirapan na si Tinkercad i-import yun. No, class, si STL viewer, i-refresh nyo lang siya kung gusto nyo, ayan. Di ba may na-review na kayong bago? Pag may gusto kayong i-view ulit na STL file, i-refresh nyo lang din siya. Then, i-drag ko yung activity to ko dito sa STL viewer. Yan. So, ito na siya. Kaso lang, yung problema, pwede din naman siya. Maganda naman yung design niya. Pero ang gusto ko sana yung nakatagos. Yung Sasuke. Dapat tagos din. So, edit ko ulit siya.
Sir, ask question lang.
Yes.
Nahihilo na. Paano po napapaharap yung sir, pag sa workplane, nakahiga sa mismong table yung phone. Paano siya ipapaharap, sir? Kahit
Ano
anong
yan?
360 po,
Sa
ikot
rotation.
po.
Ito, yung rotation. Yung
Okay
rotation
po.
knob at saka yung levitation knob.
Lalo
Diba
na pag nasa taas na siya, sir.
yung tatlong crucial na yun? What do you mean nasa taas na siya?
Okay
Ito,
po, thank you.
yung levitation knob. Ito. Yan. Ito ba yung sinasabi mo?
Yes, sir.
Or, yeah. Yung triangle na yan. Okay na?
Okay na po.
Okay. So yung edit ko lang ulit si Sasuke.
Sir, tanong lang po ulit, sir. Name
Yes.
lang po ba ilalagay yung sa cellphone holder, sir? First name lang po ba?
Yeah, first name lang.
Okay po, sir. Thank you po.
Then additional design, optional na lang yan. Pero that's the minimum. So again, going back dito sa STL viewer natin, viewstl.com, refresh na lang siya. Then, drag nyo ulit para ma-view nyo yung ginawa nyo. Yun. So, yan, butas na siya. Yan. Okay, so ganun lang. Very simple lang naman yung activity natin. Then, the submission will be, ganito guys yung submission ha. Hindi ko na kayo papahirapan. So again, if you are done with this, ilagay nyo lang siya sa, yan. Yan. So pag kinlik nyo to, so ganito yung submission guys ha. Makinig mo na kayo. 2 minutes lang. So for the activity 1, ito, isa-submit nyo siya by simply taking a screenshot ng kita ang gawa nyo. Yan. Tapos screenshot nyo. Ganyan lang. Tapos, i-paste nyo sa GC. Then after nyo, i-forward yan, yung screenshot na yan, ipo-forward nyo rin yung STL, STL file na corresponding dyan. So, ganyan. Yan yung activity 1 nyo. Then for activity 2, click ulit dito. Then go back to your activity 2, tinker this. Yan. Same thing. Screenshot. Para easy download lang. Yan. Space dito. Then yung STL file corresponding dyan. Paste nyo lang din. Or i-drag nyo kung ayaw. Nakita nyo ba yung messenger ko guys? Hindi naman. Okay. So there. So ganyan lang ang ating submission. Ang dali, di ba? I-screenshot nyo lang, then STL file
Sir,
ang
yung
important.
pag-tilt talaga, sir, ang hirap, sir.
Ha?
Yung pag-tilt ng letters. Nakahilo po.
Nakakakomang ba? Ano lang yan, yung technique lang dyan is the rotation. Pwede mong i-manual yung nasa gilid. Ito, para di ka mahirapan. May manual naman yan sa gilid, di ba? Yung adjust mo yung height. Okay, so kaya nyo nang gawin yan hanggang alas 9?
Sir,
Ay,
hindi, sir.
sir,
Kahit
baka
hanggang
hindi po.
12 na lang, sir.
Ano? Ano kaya?
If pwede po, sir, medyo mahaba pa pong time.
Okay. So, until 12 midnight. Kaya?
Kinakapa pa namin, sir, eh.
So, 12 midnight. Ang haba ng oras nyo ha. 3. Meron pa kayong ilang oras? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 4 hours. Yan. Kaya-kaya nyo na yan. Okay? So, 12 midnight is the deadline for this 2 activity. Alright? So,
Sir,
yes, Michael.
saan po, ano pong website pong pinili,
Ay,
yung
sige.
pinili nyo po para makuha yung ano po, phone holder?
Ipa-paste ko yung mga resources. Hindi ko pala na-paste. Ito yung sa Colts 3D. Ito yung sa Tinkercad. Ito yung sa STL viewer. Ayan. Yan lang naman tatlo yung ano natin, tools natin. So, ang crucial lang naman dyan is yung utility. Pag check ko kasi yan sa STL viewer. So, syempre, kapag, for example, yung hole na ginamit nyo sa keychain is nakahiwalay yung object. So, syempre, walang utility yun. Wala kang 20 points sa utility pag hindi sila magkadikit. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Okay? So, my question, yeah, Sir Aaron?
Sir,
Sir,
kasama
sorry,
po middle name.
Hindi, first and last name lang. Sa keychain. Yes, Ralph.
okay. Pero sa ano po ba sa mga activity po, pwede po ba yung tawag ito? Yung final product po naka-breakdown po? O kailangan po yung mismong ano, final product po yung nakalagay?
Sorry? Ano yung alin? Yung alin?
Pwede po ba
Ano to? Yung sa
po?
keychain? I'm sorry, nawawala ka. Ano ulit yan?
Naka-breakdown po yung ano yung parts po, naka-breakdown.
Yung parts?
Opo. Or
What do you
kailangan po
mean?
talaga yung mismong product na po yung po.
Hindi ko magets. Ano to? Yung activity 1 or 2?
Ano po, 2?
2. Okay.
Opo. Yung sila ang tawag ito? Yung dinamay ko po si STL file po kasi ano eh, naka-breakdown po agad.
Magkakahiwalay-hiwalay.
Opo.
Eh di i-assemble mo sa work plane. Ipagdidikit-dikit mo sa work plane. Oo.
Okay po. Thank you.
Yun. Okay, so pwede kayong kahit multiple STL file yung i-download nyo, tapos i-compile nyo sa work plane. Pwede naman yun. Okay? So pwede ko na kayong iwan para makapag-focus na kayo dyan. Okay na yung tanong mo, Ralph.
Last question.
Okay, so mag-attendance muna tayo. Open your webcam muna for attendance. Okay, first slide. One, two, three, smile. Diba? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, second slide. 1, 2, 3. And smile. Okay na, sige na. May iwan ko na kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Here, bye-bye.
Thank you po, sir.
Bye po. Salamat.